We are in this old building in Glenwood Springs, and we have a vintage elevator here. Do you want to open it up?
Looks like we have to manually open it.
Oh, wow. It's something old that got a vintage mod. Wow.
That is a heavy door. Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa, it's got the old logo. This used to be manual. Look at that.
I'll check it out in just a second.
Well, it doesn't have the logo. It's covered, but you can see the old thing around it.
All right, let me close the doors.
Wow. Hold on, before we go anywhere. Oh my. First elevator, first proper one. Okay, down to B.
Sick.
Wow. Look, this used to be birdcage.
Yeah.
All right.
That's cool. Up to 3?
Yep.
1,500-pound capacity. Passing 1. Passing 2.
Yeah, look, it used to be birdcage. You can see the old caging around it.
That's cool. Darn. This is a neat elevator.
Wow.
This has the building's new certificate.
This is the new Citizens building.
Mm-hmm. As opposed to the old Citizens building.
Yeah, if this is the new Citizens building, imagine how old the old Citizens building is.
The levers.
Oh, I'm dumb. Oh, I see. Look,
Cool.
you can see it used to be birdcage. See?
Huh. Yeah, it's a shame they get rid of the cages instead of surrounding them with
know.
glass. I wonder if there's a bathroom.
Well, let's take a look at this old water fountain. Wow. Look at that. This is a very cool vintage building. All right. Ready to go back down?
Yep, let's reopen it. Funny how hard that door is to push.
Yeah, that's a heavy door.
It is. But funny thing is, this one stays. The other does not.
This is definitely the original door, I bet. There's your
Interlock.
interlock there.
Back to 1.
Basement.
Basement. Okay. We gonna end it on basement or end it on This thing's gotta be 100 years old.
All right, and back up to 1. Quickly,
Single speed motor, right?
before we go, here's the panel. Wow. All right. And oh, look, it's got the old Otis logo over here.
Oh,
Wow.
nice.
This is something. All right, back to 1.
See where we're coming to. Sure does level all
New
right.
Otis firm. Yeah.
Kinda.
This thing is incredible, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Look at the old lobby, too.
Oh, it's not
This building is a gem.
Let's get the single speed.
Wow. Oh, look. Look, you can see where the old bars of the elevator used to be. This was a bird cage. Used to be a staircase right there. Probably covered up for fire regulations in the 60s when they modded this. Or I'd say that's a 50s mod. That is cool. Wow. Colorado National Bank.
Yeah.
Wow. That is absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, that's